Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make caramelized pineapple cake upside down. Very tasty and delicious one, and I have added the ingredients in the description box. So let's get started. The first step we are going to do is the caramelization. For that I have taken half a cup of brown sugar and we are going to melt it. Once the sugar starts melting, I'm going to add quarter cup of butter. We're going to mix it. After 2 minutes of continuous stirring, I'm going to turn off the stove. I've taken a baking pan and I'm going to pour it on it and we're going to spread it evenly. I have already poured the caramel into the pan. Now I have taken fresh pineapple and we are going to place it onto the pan. Now I have arranged the pineapple in the pan, and just like a garnish I'm going to place some cherries. Now I have arranged the cherries, and now let's make the batter. Now we are going to make the cake batter. I've taken butter and we are going to mix it. Make sure the butter is all in room temperature. Next we are going to add sugar. Now we are going to add eggs one by one. I'm adding one egg and mixing. I'm going to add the second egg and then continue mixing. Next, let's sieve the all-purpose flour. And I'm going to add baking soda, baking powder and a little bit of salt to it. And let's sieve it. This is to make sure there are no lumps in the flour. Now let's add the flour to the butter and sugar mixture. And mix. Now let's add the remaining flour and mix it. Next, I'm going to add some fresh pineapple juice and mix everything together. Now add a quarter cup of oil and mix everything. Now let's pour the batter into the pan. Now spread the batter evenly throughout. After spreading, we are going to tap it like this so as to release any bubbles inside. Now let's bake the cake at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. After 45 minutes, my cake is ready. Now let's do the toothpick test. It's clean. Now rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. After the cake cools down, let's run the knife around the edges just to loosen up the cake. Now let's turn the cake upside down. It's the moment of truth now. Wow, look at that. And now your caramelized pineapple upside down cake is ready. Now let's slice up the cake. Oh, it's so soft and tender. Look at the crust, it's crispy. And the cake is moist. Let's try it. That is a delicious cake. Let me try the pineapple too. So soft, so tasty. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.